guys know what the past tense of a verb is? Do you know? What's your name?
Dylan.
Dylan, do you know what the past tense of a verb is? Can you give me a description of that or a definition of it? Or any of you? Yes?
He played with him?
Yeah, it shows the past tense of an action, right? So if you have the verb play, then the past tense of that would be played. Right, very good. Okay, and you guys know that a lot of times the past tense of a verb ends in ED, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's going to be important for the game that we're going to play.
Ooh, yay.
So, I've got 3 stacks of cards here, and one's marked easy, and one is medium, and one is hard. And when it's your turn, you'll come up and you'll pick from one of the stacks. The easy stack is worth 1 point, the medium's worth 2, and the hard is worth 3. So depending on how much you want to challenge yourself or how many points you want to try and get, that will help you determine which card you want to pick. So we'll divide into groups of boys and girls. There's no need to move around, but just remember that the boys will be on a team and the girls will be on a team. And could I get anybody to volunteer to be a scorekeeper? You? Would you like to keep score? Okay. You want to come up here? I've already made up a boys and girls chart here. So, well, we'll just you'll just make a mark for each time that they get a point. So if they pick, let's say they pick a hard one and they get it right, you would write 3 under the boys, or if it's a girl, 3 under the girl. Okay?
Like just do tallies.
Yeah, just do tallies. That's fine. Okay, and so what will happen is you'll come up, you'll take your turn, you'll take a card, and you'll read it silently to yourself. You don't want to tell anybody what word is on the card. And then you will put the card down, face down, so they can't read it, and you'll act out whatever word is on that card. So let's say that the word was play, like you gave the example of. So maybe you act like you're playing or something. And your team, if you're a boy, like say if you're a boy, the boys would have to answer what you're doing. And they get 3 chances to try and guess what verb you're acting out. If they don't get it, then it goes to the other team. Okay, but if they do get it, then you get the 3 points, plus you get a bonus point if you can tell me what the past tense of that verb is. So again, if it was play, you say they guessed what it was.
Like playing football. They get points.
Then they would say played is the past tense, and they would get another point. So instead of just 3, they would get 4 points. You guys got it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's let the girls go first. Ladies first.
Ladies always have to go first.
So, which of you would like to go first?
None.
You? Okay, come on up.
Gabby.
And what's your name?
Gabby.
Gabby. Okay, which card would you like to choose from? Okay, don't let anyone see it. Okay, you got it? Okay, let's set it down. So, let's act it out. And only the girls can play this round, okay? So, act out your verb. You guys get 3 chances to try and guess what it is. Well, what would you like when you see somebody doing that? What kind of actions do they make? Just pretend. Just pretend that you're doing it. Okay. Why don't you face your classmates so they can see what you're doing? Do you have a guess? You have a guess? Very good. That's great. So that's worth 2 points, but then can you tell me what the past tense of cooking is?
Cook.
Very good. So that's a total of 3 points for the girls.
No, 4, but she got the bonus point.
But she had a medium, so it was 2 points.
If it was hard, it would have been 4.
Okay, so it's the guy's turn. Let's go with you. What's your name?
Gunner.
Gunner. All right. Let's pick a card. You're going for a hard one. Okay, set it down so nobody sees it. So that one's a little bit of a tricky action, right? But you can do it.
I don't know how to do this.
And you can pretend with me or another classmate if you want. you can't say anything. Just kind of have to act it out. That's why this one's a hard one. You can do that. Good job. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, so that's 3 points. Now, what's the past tense for asking?
Ask.
Very good. So 4 points for the boys. Good job. Yep, we'll put it on the bottom of the deck. Very good. Okay. One of the girls can go next.
Not me.
Okay, you want to go?
This is hard.
All right, come on up. What's your name? Taylor? All right.
Hey, don't choose a hard one.
Let them see. So you're doing a medium one, okay? Oh, we read the, I think you're acting out something else. See, this is, okay. Go ahead.
Talking?
Very good. All right, what's the past tense of talking?
Talk?
Very good. So 3 points for the girls. Very good. Okay, how about you?
Chase the hard one. It's hard.
Don't let them see, don't let them see. Got it? I see?
I saw that.
Okay.
I was a girl and I saw that.
Okay, well, that's
Well,
all
you're a
right,
girl,
because this is just for the guys. So go ahead. Go ahead and act it out.
Is that acting? Yeah. Walking. Nope. Wait. I'm a girl.
You guys get 2 more tries.
I'm a girl, never mind. Was that acting or not?
No?
Shaking your head. Nope.
No?
What are you doing?
One more try, guys.
What are you doing for the action? Looking. Yes.
Good job. All right, Gunnar. Come on up here.
But we know what the past look.
Looked. Very good. Very
We
good.
have 8 points. 8.
Okay.
I have 8. We have 8.
Okay, which of you would you like to go?
It's a
Okay.
hard one. Pick an easy one.
You do. Yeah.
Thank you. I saw that. Yeah. It was a boy. It was a boy.
Okay. All right, that's fine.
What?
Go ahead.
Giving you all the points. Dylan. No, in her face.
Very good.
She's a girl.
Okay, and that was a hard one. So what's the... Very good.
Very good. Pick a hard
So that one's worth 4 points. So how many points do we have so far for the girls?
I never went yet.
And the boys have 8, right?
Yeah.
So this is the tiebreaker. So you would have to pick either a medium or a hard to win. This is going to be the final one, guys.
Oh, no.
So you want to go?
Can you pick a hard? Dude, pick
Okay.
a hard. Pick a hard. Hard. No, hard. No. No. Yes.
Okay, let's see what it... Oh, boy, that is kind of hard, isn't it?
No.
All right, go ahead.
Oh. I know. Chase. Lifting. Yes.
Very good.
No.
All right, what's the past tense?
Nope. That's good.
Lifted. Okay.
All
right. Boys win, but I'm sure the girls would have won if they had another chance.
Yep. Yes.
Yeah, you guys did good with the medium and hard ones, didn't you? Good job. Well, I wish I could stay longer and we could keep playing, but I have to go. So thank you very much for working with me. Thank you for keeping score.
You
guys be good to Mrs. Jones for the rest of the day, all right? And be good to each other.
I have like 5
All right.
points.